Food gardens are an incredible addition to not only your home, but your health.
Growing your own vegetables is one of the most rewarding parts of gardening, but even seasoned growers slip up on a few basics. Today, we're looking at 5 of the most common mistakes that veggie gardeners make and how a few simple changes can save you time, energy, and frustration. Number 1, planting too much at once. It's tempting to sow an entire packet in one go, but then everything matures at the same time and you're left overwhelmed with more than you can eat. Instead, stagger your sowing every couple of weeks. That way, you get a steady harvest rather than a sudden glut. Number 2, not having a water source close by. Carrying heavy watering cans across the garden is back-breaking and discouraging. Plants need consistent moisture, especially in hot weather, so make life easier. Position your veggie patch with an easy reach of a hose or rainwater tank. Number 3, not rotating crops. Growing the same veggie in the same spot season after season drains the soil of specific nutrients and encourages pests and diseases. Move your crops around each year. For example, follow leafy greens with beans to replenish nitrogen. Rotation keeps your soil healthy and your plants stronger. Number 4, working with blunt tools. A dull pair of secateurs makes every task harder, and it can even damage your plants. Keep blades sharp and clean. Sharp tools mean cleaner cuts, less strain on your body, and healthier plants that recover quickly from pruning. Number 5, keeping your compost too far away. Compost is the livelihood of a veggie garden, but if the heap or bin is tucked in the furthest corner, you're less likely to use it. Place compost within easy distance of your beds so it's simple to top dress, mulch, or enrich the soil when you need it. Convenience means consistency. So there you have it, 5 simple mistakes to avoid. Because gardening shouldn't be about hard work. It's about smart choices that make your harvest even sweeter.